a great choice today with the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, compass, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.